Hey everybody, Alan Bramson here. Today I'd like to talk to you about understanding your P&L profit center analysis. Now, our company helps clients by providing bookkeeping services to make sure that not only is everything correct and accurate, but that the proper analysis is done. If you need any help with this, or this is something you'd like to learn more about, please click in the link in the description box below for a free no obligation call, and you can see if we're a good fit and can perhaps help out. Now, one of the most common problems that I find when talking to landscapers or reviewing their financials is that even if they have monthly financials being prepared and assuming everything is correct and the quality of the financials are high, so often what I see is that the financials are not at the right level of depth. The information is correct. You might get some financials and you look at it, and I'm talking mostly here about the profit and loss statement. And you look and you go, okay, it shows I'm profitable. Okay, that's good. What do I do next? The information isn't frequently at the right level of detail to really be actionable. And looking at something at the grand total level where you're combining all the different elements of the business, well, yes, it's meaningful. Yes, it's what you'll need to do ultimately if you apply for a bank loan or for your taxes at year end. But in terms of your analyzing the business and knowing what to do and what actions you might need to take, it isn't sufficient. So let me give you an example here. Now, take a look at this first slide. This is an example of a profit and loss report. I summarized it, of course, for a particular month. So let's say that, ignoring all the other details, this is basically what you receive at the end of, let's say, March, right? So you look at this and it says, okay, you had sales or revenue of $137,000. Your cost of goods sold $74,000. So you had a gross profit of $63,000. You had admin expenses of $46,000. So overall, your net income before tax was $17,000. You think, okay, that's good, right? Well, the problem is, though, you have many different profit centers or departments or divisions or however you refer to it in your business. Let's take a look at the same information, but let's say you actually received the profit and loss and it broke it up into your various segments. Okay, now take a look at this profit and loss example. The first column is the same. This is the same $17,000 that you had earned before. But this time I broke the data into design build, irrigation, maintenance, and snow services. Now take a look. Although you did earn $17,000 pre-tax income, here you see that the design build provides most of the profitability, $21,000. Some comes from snow as well. But irrigation is losing a ton of money and maintenance is slightly negative. Now, this is a very different story, of course. So if you look at it by the component parts, your first reaction is, okay, design build, that's great. But maybe I should emphasize that a little bit more than some of the other parts of my business. Or you look at irrigation and you'll want to determine what in the world is going on. Are administrative expenses too high for that particular service? Are we pricing too low? Is the volume too low? What's going on there? But either way, you can see the huge difference it makes and how much more actionable the information is if you view it at the right level. So I hope this is helpful and emphasizes the need that it's not just about having financials that are correct. It's about having information at your fingertips at the right level. That's half the ball game, because that's what makes it actionable, where you can actually do something to try to improve the results. If you look at the total, you're basically taking all that good information on that last slide I showed you and smushing it together into one ball of profit and loss data that, well, it will show you that you're making money, but it removes all the information you really need to make decisions. And once again, my company handles everything bookkeeping related, and most importantly, analytical support, so that we can help you understand your data and make it actionable for you. If you think we might be able to help you, please set up a free call with me. Click on the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching today, and have a fantastic day.